run for cover. The idiom, run for cover, is a figurative expression that means to seek shelter or protection from danger or harm. It is often used in situations where there is a sudden threat or impending disaster, and people need to find a safe place to avoid being harmed. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of this idiom. 1. Example: during the thunderstorm, the rain started pouring heavily, and we quickly ran for cover under a nearby tree. Explanation: in this example, the phrase, run for cover, is used to describe the action of seeking shelter from the heavy rain by standing under a tree. 2. Example: as soon as the fire alarm went off, everyone in the building ran for cover, evacuating to the nearest exit. Explanation: here, the idiom is used to describe the immediate reaction of people in a building when they hear the fire alarm. They quickly seek a safe place by running towards the nearest exit. 3. Example: the protesters clashed with the police, and chaos erupted. Innocent bystanders had no choice but to run for cover to avoid getting caught in the middle of the fight. Explanation: in this scenario, the idiom is used to describe the action of innocent bystanders who are caught in the middle of a conflict between protesters and police. They run for cover to protect themselves from any harm that may come their way. 4. Example: as soon as the heavy gunfire started, the soldiers in the battlefield ran for cover behind the sandbags. Explanation: this example shows how the idiom is used in a military context. The soldiers quickly seek protection by running behind sandbags to shield themselves from the gunfire. In all of these examples, run for cover is used to indicate the immediate action of seeking shelter or protection from imminent danger or harm. It conveys a sense of urgency and the need to find safety as quickly as possible.